This is a microlearning module created to teach learners about contrast ratio guidelines when creating any web-based media and a tool they can use to check contrast. They'll get to experience low contrast vision and understand that this applies to anything that a learner may see on the screen, including a PDF document. They'll learn how our government has merged the European WCAG 2.0 guidelines for contrast into our 508 accessibility guidelines. So basically, any company receiving funds and providing services to our government agencies must meet accessibility guidelines. Here's a little quick check to reset the learner. And then here's a little more information regarding the AA specification. There are 3 levels of compliancy, and we'll address the AA specification. That's where we want to be regarding contrast of text and images on the screen. So here we give an example of, and we'll further define what it means to meet the AA specification as far as the size of the fonts and the contrast ratio numbers. And then they're probably wondering, well, how will I know if I meet the specification? So we introduce the tool. So next we demonstrate the tool with, well, we call it a show me. And they'll see how to use the color picker and how to compare 2 circles of text on background to see which one passes and which one fails. And then in a minute, they'll get a chance to work with the tool themselves. So here we're going to see when we go into that second box, the black text does not pass on this background, so that would not be a good thing to put on your website or your web page. Okay, then we're going to let them do the tool in a minute, so we give them a little bit of instruction here. And then we go ahead and they start working the tool because the simulation appears. And, it's quite elementary. We give them all the places to click, and then we'll exit the course afterwards. But this is only a 3-minute module. Now, for a longer module, we could add an assessment where they would have to select from a few examples first visually without the use of the tool. And then we could provide the tool, and they could compare what they originally selected as pass or fail to what the tool revealed. And I think that would be a fun exercise for the learner. But considering this is just a little demonstration, I think we'll keep it very simple. And then they exit the course. So that's it.